channel. So today we are going to do the first week of March for the budget. So Dane didn't get a paycheck this week. I got paid on 2/3, and I made $738.36. And then for other was $84.60. This was what was pulled from the rent money. So if we add those two together, we've got $822.96 for our income for this week. So let's go down here and let's go ahead and do our starting balance, which is our rollover from last week, was $1,698.16, and then we have the income of $822.96. All right, let's zoom you in so you can see a little better. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over everything on the Chase. There was quite a bit this week. So starting balance was $0. There was a card discount. So Chase does little discounts that you can earn. And I think this was from when we spent some money at CVS. It's hardly anything, but it's a discount. So that was just 19 cents. Then we also had some returns for Home Depot. And, all right, return on there, so we know what it is. And that was $30.18. Also on 2/24, went to Meijer. That was $22.83. Then on 2/24, also went to Walmart. Although there were some returns, so minus the returns, because like my veggies that I got were bad. I ordered some K-Cups and I didn't care for them, so I returned those also. And then out of the total for other, that portion of it was $84.42. But grand total, what we spent at Walmart was $224.73. Also on 2/24, spent at Home Depot. That was $2.97. Then on 2/24, we went out to dinner. That was $30.90. I know we go out to eat still quite a bit, but that's life. Alrighty, then on 2/25, surprise, surprise, some more money was spent at Home Depot. I'd like to say we'd be done spending money there soon, but no, because there will be another project after this one. The bathroom is basically done. We're just waiting on a curtain to show up, so that part's good. But then we're going to start on our front room, so there'll be more. But that Home Depot was $9.35. Then on 2/25, we got Taco Bell. And that was $18.86. And then on 2/26, got charged for Peacock. That's streaming service, obviously. And it's 99 cents. I signed up for their deal, and so we've been watching that quite a bit because we turned off Hulu and Disney. And then on 2/26, Amazon. So this is a mixture of home and other. I really couldn't tell you what the breakdown is right now. But $98.49 because we bought things for the bathroom, and then we also bought what am I trying to say here? I don't remember. I bought other things. Also on 2/26. So that was a Sunday, and I went shopping with my mother-in-law, sister-in-law, and my niece. We all went shopping, and so that was a great day. I had a lot of fun. But we went out to eat. So we went to this place called Slow Bones. It was very good. And that was $25. And since I was gone, Dane was hanging with our nephew, and so they got, what did they get? They got Little Caesars, because that's what Dane was craving. And that was $20.14. And then when Dane came and got me, he wanted some McDonald's. And we got a Shamrock Shake, which was so delicious. Gotta have one. So that was McDonald's, and that was $10.84 because he got some food also. And then on 2/28, more Amazon. Again, a mixture of things for the house and for other. This was $27.99. Also on 2/28, I went to the doctor, so I had my copay, and that was $25. And then I picked us up some lunch on my way home. So that was McDonald's, and that was $13.98. And then also on 2/28, we got Taco Bell for dinner, and that was $27.10. On that particular day, my kidney stone was hurting really bad. I was hurting from my kidney stone, and so I just did not feel like cooking. So we just ate out all day. It was fine. And then on 3/1, Amazon. I think a lot of this was my subscribe and save stuff, if I'm remembering correctly. And then some of it was probably for the house also. But that was $118.04. I got quite a few bigger things in my subscribe and save this month. Like I got my Tide Pods. I got dishwasher tabs. Things like that that cost a little bit more. Then on 3/1, Home Depot. And that was $19.55. And on 3/1 was Meijer. And that was $119.62. And I ran out of lines, but on 3/1 was also my Cricut subscription, and that was $9.99. So if we add everything up and subtract out the two refunds, that leaves us with a total of $7.96. Amazingly, I added up twice. It was an even number. It was quite strange. All right, so let's go over here to the Capital One portion. And our starting balance on this was the $15.49. And then on 3/1, paid AAA for our car insurance. That was $185.82. And we also paid the It's insurance on her old house. So this is what came out of her rent money. And that was $84.60. And then on 3/3, so if you watched my previous videos, you'd remember that our property got broken into. And so my husband has a trail camera that can like do video and pictures and things like that. And it's a monthly subscription for that. So it has, well, basically you're paying for the internet. And that's $9.99. So we have that put up over at the property. So if we add all of this up, it gives us a grand total. Let me put this up here. It gives us a grand total of $295.90. Now, for payments on these two cards, this one, the Bushnell, was still pending when I made the payment. So, made a payment of $285.91, leaving a balance of $9.99. And then my payment over here was $696, leaving me with a balance of $100 that will roll over to next week. Again, not what we like to do, but that's just life for right now. We're doing all right. Okay, and then payment section, this is what actually comes out of our checking account. So on 3/1, pay the mortgage. That is $1,106.68. Also on 3/1, paid the payment on the property. And that is $400. And then on 3/4 is when I made the payments on the cards. So we've got Chase for $696 and Capital One for $285.91. So if we add those four together, that gives us a total of $2,488.59. So then we're going to come over here, write that on the payment section, $2,488.59. So again, we're going to go ahead and add the starting balance and the income together, subtract out payments, and that leaves us with a balance of $32.53. If you've seen any of my videos, you know this is, sorry, bump the camera there. So if you've seen in my videos, this is a lot lower than what I like to keep it at usually, but it's where we landed. So it'll be fine, not a big deal. If I need money, I've got money in the savings. So let's go ahead and zoom you guys out. All right, guys, so this was it for March week 1. Spent a lot, you know, we went out to eat quite a bit, but that's just how our week worked out, you know, it's life. I'm not gonna make myself miserable when I don't need to. If you've seen my videos, you know, I'm just not that kind of person. I don't enjoy misery for no reason, you know. But all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of a shorter one, but everything got paid. I know we were leaving a little bit of a balance on each of the cards, but that'll be all right. We'll go ahead and we'll move on to the next week, and we'll just keep going. I already know that we're probably going to have to pull some money again this month. It's just the reality of it. And so we'll see how it goes, and I will let you guys see what we do next week. All right. Again, thank you to everyone who subscribes. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. But all right, guys, thank you again for keeping me motivated, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.